Welcome everybody. Today a package just arrived. What could it possibly be? Well, let me put my camera here. And no, does not. Here would be better. Okay. Well, I got the napkin there because people will not like others to see addresses, even though I personally do not care. So, let me use this steak knife to cut the mail box. As you can see, let me see if this works. Sort of. Okay. Let me adjust this quick. Okay. I'm going to use my hands. I'm going to cut through this. Is a knife really appropriate? Well, no scissors. Let's use the knife. Alright. I'm cutting the tape. Not going to want to damage parts. This sucks. Alright. Anyways, 12.8 ounces. Come on. Alright, it's not working. I should use scissors, but what the heck? Cannot find it. Now let's cut. Let's open the side up. Ow! Ouch. Ouch. Oh. Just trying to... Oh! Gosh. It's scary. As I said, I'm not gonna want to die. You know what? Let's try opening the box now. I'm gonna try to do it with my hands. Just saw the peanuts. There we go. Okay. Peanut package. What is going on? It's from Edwards Company Incorporated, a unit of General Signal. Is that me? Or is that an Edwards adapter horn? 120 volts. Let's see. What the heck? Some kind of plate. Okay. Bolts. 50 to 60 hertz. Quantity 1. Catalog number 884. Okay. Oh yeah. Stop. Gonzo. Whatever that means. Now, 50 and 60 hertz appliances do not have a default positive or negative. DC or direct current does. Wow. Here is the cord. Wow. Yes! Yes! Oh my god. It is even smaller than I thought. What a small, convenient appliance. I'm going to try to find a screw for this thing. Well, the volume screw cannot see it here. Well, there it is, Edwards 884. It's much pink. It's more pinkish in an eBay photo. And let me show you the power cord. It was advertised as new. Now, the 60 hertz, switching between positive or negative, will control what I want to say is a washer. Anyways, it vibrates the metal here. So, I hope you like that, and that will be it. Thanks for watching now. Please rate, subscribe. Please rate, comment, and subscribe and enjoy. Sorry for the long hiatus. Just kind of busy with stuff. But, anyways, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. As I'm having right here. Anyways, bye.